Yes, it's possible to change the steering wheel on a Tesla Model Y. However, due to safety concerns and Tesla's integrated systems, it's a complex process, especially involving the airbag. Unauthorized modifications, particularly airbag removal, can void the vehicle's warranty and trigger error codes. As of 2026, aftermarket options exist, but professional installation is highly recommended. The Model Y's steering wheel airbag is part of the vehicle's Supplemental Restraint System, or SRS. This system is designed to protect occupants during a collision by rapidly deploying an airbag to cushion the impact. Airbags are deployed using pyrotechnic charges, which are small explosive devices that rapidly generate gas to inflate the airbag cushion. This process happens in milliseconds during a crash, creating a protective barrier between the driver and the steering wheel. In a collision, sensors detect the impact and trigger the airbag deployment. Watch how the airbag activates within fractions of a second to protect the occupant. For safe airbag removal, always disconnect the vehicle's battery first to prevent accidental deployment. Use diagnostic tools to depressurize the SRS system and ensure no residual pressure remains. Never puncture the airbag module, as this could cause dangerous gas release. When reinstalling the airbag, precise sensor alignment with the vehicle's crash detection algorithms is critical. The system uses advanced sensors and algorithms to determine when and how forcefully to deploy the airbag, ensuring optimal protection. If your steering wheel swap requires airbag removal, follow these steps carefully. First, disconnect the 12 volts battery. Second, wait at least 30 minutes to discharge the system. Third, use a Tesla-compatible OBD2 scanner to check for error codes and depressurize the airbag system if possible. Fourth, carefully detach the airbag module using the correct tools, avoiding any forceful actions. Ground yourself to prevent static discharge. The physical swap begins with unbolting the original steering wheel. You'll need a 19mm socket to remove the mounting bolts, which often have anti-tamper fasteners to prevent unauthorized removal. These fasteners are designed to protect the vehicle's safety systems. If you're reusing the original airbag, carefully transfer it to the new steering wheel. This involves disconnecting the airbag module from the old wheel and securing it to the new one, ensuring all electrical connections are properly aligned to maintain safety functionality. When bolting the new steering wheel in place, ensure proper torque specifications. Tesla recommends around 45 foot-pounds of torque for the mounting bolts to prevent loosening during use while avoiding damage to components. Use a calibrated torque wrench for accuracy. Electrical continuity is crucial throughout the process. Before final assembly, test all wiring connections to prevent shorts that could damage the vehicle's electrical system. Use a multimeter to verify continuity and ensure the steering wheel's controls integrate properly with the Tesla's systems. Different types of fasteners may be encountered during the swap. Refer to fastener charts to identify the correct sizes and types for your specific Tesla Model Y configuration. Removing or modifying the steering wheel in a Tesla Model Y can severely impact the vehicle's advanced safety systems. Tesla's autopilot and lane-keeping assistance rely on precise integration with the steering wheel's sensors and controls. If the new steering wheel isn't properly integrated, these safety features can become disabled or malfunction, potentially leading to error messages on the vehicle's display. The vehicle's computer systems expect specific electrical signals and sensor feedback from the factory steering wheel. Perhaps most concerning are the safety implications. According to 2025 NHTSA data, vehicles with modified steering systems experience injury rates nearly 3 times higher in crashes compared to stock vehicles. This includes airbag-related issues and loss of automated safety interventions. Warning lights and error indicators may appear on the dashboard if modifications disrupt the vehicle's safety architecture. Always consult professionals and consider the potential loss of these life-saving features before proceeding with any steering wheel changes. Aftermarket options for Tesla Model Y steering wheels include a variety of choices designed for customization and compatibility. Available options include yoke-style wheels that match Tesla's design, carbon fiber variants for a premium look, and even heated options for added comfort during cold weather driving. A popular choice is the NRG Innovations Kit, which comes pre-wired for airbag compatibility. This kit has been used in over 5,000 installations with a 95% satisfaction rate according to user studies. These kits are designed to maintain full airbag functionality and integration with Tesla's autopilot system, ensuring safety is not compromised. You can find these options through Tesla community forums, online retailers such as Amazon, or specialized sites like teslamods.com. However, it's crucial to prioritize certified parts that have been tested by independent laboratories like 2V Rhineland, and always opt for professional installation to ensure airbag functionality and vehicle safety. Steering wheel modifications in your Tesla Model Y, particularly those involving airbag systems, can have serious legal and warranty implications that you need to understand before proceeding. First, be aware that unauthorized modifications may completely void your Tesla warranty. This means Tesla could refuse to cover any repairs or issues that arise from the changes. Beyond warranty concerns, these modifications can violate critical safety standards designed to protect vehicle occupants during accidents. In the United States, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NTSA, enforces federal safety standards that require all vehicle safety systems, including airbags, to remain fully functional. Similarly, in the European Union, the General Safety Regulation sets comprehensive requirements for vehicle safety features and modifications. Non-compliance with these EU regulations can lead to substantial penalties, with fines potentially reaching as high as €30,000. To highlight the importance of professional work over DIY attempts, remember that improper modifications can lead to these costly consequences. In summary, always consult certified professionals and ensure full compliance with regulatory requirements to protect both your safety and your vehicle's warranty coverage. While DIY modifications are possible, professional installation at a Tesla-authorized body shop is significantly safer. DIY projects carry significant risks, including safety concerns, lack of proper expertise, and being time-consuming. They may lead to accidents or injuries if not done correctly. Professionals charge between $500 and $2,000 for a safe steering wheel swap, which includes comprehensive airbag testing to ensure everything works properly. Looking ahead, Tesla may release official customization APIs, potentially allowing software-only steering wheel swaps without any hardware modifications. Always prioritize safety and compliance when considering any vehicle modifications.